Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious margaritas at home with a blender. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need good quality tequila blanco, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur such as Cointreau. Don't forget plenty of ice to get that perfect frosty consistency. Using fresh ingredients makes all the difference for a truly refreshing drink. Let's get blending. Now for the blending. For one serving, combine 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1 ounce of orange liqueur in your blender. Add about 1.5 cups of ice. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a slushy consistency. If it's too thick, add a splash more lime juice. If too thin, add a few more ice cubes. It's all about finding your perfect balance. Before pouring, let's prepare your glass. Take a lime wedge and run it around the rim of your glass to moisten it. Then, dip the rim into a shallow dish of coarse salt or a Margarita salt blend. This adds a wonderful savory contrast. Carefully pour your perfectly blended margarita into the prepared glass. For a final touch, garnish with a fresh lime wheel or wedge. It looks as good as it tastes. Want to get creative? You can easily customize your margarita. Try adding fresh fruits like strawberries or mango to the blender for a fruity twist. For a different flavor profile, experiment with a reposado tequila instead of blanco. If you prefer a sweeter drink, a small amount of agave nectar works wonders. And for those who like a little heat, a few slices of jalapeno can add a fantastic spicy kick. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.